Hey all, just wanted to give a quick update on the El Camino project and just show you where I'm at this point. So I've had some other projects, as you can see from the door, some house projects going on that I've had to work on, so I've kind of put this to the side for a little bit, but I'll hopefully get back to this shortly. But as you can see, what I have now, I think the next project is going to be this QA1 suspension upgrade kit. And this was a complete kit that I got off of Jegs for just a hair over $2,000. So I really think you can't beat that with shipping, included free shipping. So this is the entire kit. It comes with the front and rear sway bars. It comes with upper and lower trailing arms, control arms, upper and lower control arms. And then it comes with some miscellaneous hardware, tie rod sleeves, and then it comes with also some trailing arm braces. But I just kind of wanted to let you see what the kit looks like. I'm not going to break it all apart. I just opened it up the other day just to make sure everything was there. But it looks pretty beefy. Control arms themselves are pretty heavy, so I'm hoping that this will give the El Camino a little bit of a stiffer suspension and kind of tighten up all those old suspension parts that have 30 plus years of wear on them. So but just wanted to show you where I'm at, and this is going to be the next upgrade. I decided to go with QA1 because I think all in all they had the best prices, and it looks like they had the right setup for my car in particular. I think that we'll see when we put it on how it fits and whether there's any modifications or anything necessary for that. And I'll obviously put some videos on that, but just wanted to give you an update on where I'm at with the El Camino and suspension upgrade. And just a note with this is it does come with these adapters for coilovers, which I'm not going to do just yet. I'm going to leave the stock springs in it. So you can mount those coilover adapters into the control arms, lower control arms, and then you can use any kind of aftermarket coilover setup. So I would imagine that, you know, eventually I'm going to hang on to those, and eventually I'll probably swap out to like maybe some ride techs or something like that. We'll see, but not ready to do that just yet. Going to leave the stock springs and stock shocks in for now. So that's all for that. Just wanted to give you a quick update, and as you can see here, I kind of have everything ready to go. Next thing's probably going to be happening is I'm going to be doing an oil change, and I will see how bad that oil filter is. Hopefully not bad, but it's about time. So let's get going on that. But just for this, the part number is HK12 GMG1. That's the QA1 Stage 2 suspension upgrade package. There's a Stage 1 and a Stage 3, and you can get these with or without the coilovers. I decided to go without, as I said, but just something to make you do a little research here like I did. So I'll take you along as I install it, but it was just over $2,000, and it comes with the trailing arms, upper and lower, the front and rear sway bars, and obviously the upper and lower control arms, tie rods, sleeves, adjusters, and the rear trailing arm braces. So we'll give updates on that as we proceed. Next thing I want to know is what y'all's thoughts are on what I should do with this 305. I know a lot of people think it's probably a boat anchor, but I'd like to do something with it. So I'm up for any kind of suggestions you guys might have. Obviously needs to be cleaned up a little bit, and I'll probably maybe even break it down and do a complete overhaul, since it's has quite a few miles on it. I have no idea exactly how many, over 200,000 I would say. It was running when I pulled it out, so it still runs, and it ran pretty well. It just probably needs a little bit of a TLC, and also I might throw some new heads or something at it. We'll see, but I'm just looking for ideas. I was gonna put it in a CJ5. Unfortunately, that didn't pan out because the body was just too far gone. So we'll see. But you know, maybe some turbos or supercharger, who knows. Just looking for ideas at the moment. So post them in the comments if you like, and we'll see how this progresses as well. That'll probably be the next project. So 2 projects on the horizon. the 305 rebuild at some point, and then we'll start getting into the suspension upgrade as the winter kind of comes pretty soon here. It's cold already, so this will probably be following shortly. So stay tuned for that.